Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the Apple Watch has at least 50% battery and your iPhone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Once done, open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing, then hold the watch close and center the watch face in the iPhone viewfinder to link. If the camera method doesn't work, tap Pair manually and read the 6-digit code on the watch to your iPhone. This alternative keeps you moving forward without delay. After pairing, you sign in with your Apple ID so services like iCloud, Health, and Messages sync instantly. This is important for continuity. Next, select your dominant wrist, create a passcode for Apple Watch security, and choose an app layout, grid or list, based on how you navigate visually. Then make decisions about notifications and whether to install available apps now or later. Also enable Apple Pay and Emergency (SOS) so payments and safety features work without extra setup steps. To finish, let your watch complete the sync. Keep the iPhone nearby and plugged in if possible, and watch for the home screen to appear. Once synced, customize watch faces and complications so the most used info is visible, and verify activity and health data are updating. If something goes wrong, try this one key troubleshooting tip. Restart both the iPhone and Apple Watch, then retry pairing. If that still fails, reset network settings on the iPhone or erase, and repair the watch to clear persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.